Let me tell you something uncomfortable. You are not lazy. You are not undisciplined. You are being controlled by a chimp. Not a real one, an inner one. And unless you understand how this chimp works, it will quietly run your life. Inside your brain, there are two systems. One plans the future. The other wants comfort now. That second system behaves like a chimp. The chimp hates effort, loves instant rewards, gets bored easily, and panics at discomfort. Every time you try to do something hard, study, work out, eat healthy, the chimp steps in and says, no. Most people try to fight the chimp. They say, be disciplined, push harder, just do it. But here's the problem. The chimp doesn't understand logic. It doesn't care about long-term success. Force only makes it rebel harder. That's why motivation fades. That's why willpower breaks. But something strange happens sometimes. You don't want to work out until you watch a transformation video. You don't want to study until you see how it connects to real life. You don't want to eat healthy until you see the benefits. Suddenly, the chimp calms down. Why? Because you didn't fight the chimp. You showed it a banana, a reward it could imagine. This is the key insight. The chimp will cooperate only when it can see a reward. I call this technique the reward preview method. Instead of forcing action, you preview the reward until the chimp agrees. This is not motivation. This is negotiation. Alarm rings. Workout time. Your chimp says, skip today. You don't argue. You open YouTube and watch what happens if you work out daily. How exercise changes confidence. Why fit people are treated differently. You're not convincing yourself. You're feeding the chimp images of reward. 5 minutes later, your shoes are on. The chimp isn't disciplined. It's interested. You open a textbook. The chimp says, this is boring. So you search real-life use of this topic. How this subject helps in careers. People who succeeded using this skill. Now the chapter has meaning. Same book, same brain, different chimp reaction. I used to hate beetroot. Bitter taste, no excitement. The chimp rejected it immediately. Then I started seeing content. Blood flow benefits, stamina improvement, better workout performance. From Instagram, from YouTube, from different creators. The bitterness didn't disappear, but the chimp stopped complaining because the reward became louder than the taste. You delay an important task. The chimp says, later. Then you watch why finishing early reduces anxiety, how reliability builds self-respect. Now delaying feels uncomfortable. Starting feels lighter. The chimp changed sides. The chimp runs on dopamine. Dopamine is released when a reward is expected, not after it happens. When you preview rewards, dopamine rises, resistance drops, action begins. No reward equals no movement. After some days, you may notice, this stopped working. It didn't. The chimp got bored. Same benefits, same videos, same explanation. No novelty equals no dopamine. So you rotate sources. Today, YouTube. Tomorrow, Instagram. Next day, ChatGPT. Next, articles or podcasts. Same banana, different wrapping. The chimp thinks, oh, this is new, and dopamine returns. People are scared of the word manipulation. But here's the truth. Your chimp is already being manipulated by reels, notifications, and algorithms. You're just taking control back. Manipulating your chimp consciously is not weakness, it's intelligence. Your brain is not broken. It's ancient, living in a modern world. Stop fighting the chimp. Show it rewards, make deals with it, and watch how easily it starts working for you. Before you close this video, do one thing. Think about one task you're avoiding right now. Not tomorrow, not next week, right now. In the comments, write, "My chimp is avoiding blank." Then, next to it, write one reward you can show your chimp to start. I'll read them, and maybe your chimp will read them too. If this helped you understand your brain a little better, stay around. We're not fighting the chimp here, we're training it. Thanks for watching.